Hello, it's Mr. G, your business teacher. In this lesson, we'll focus on writing a strong business report for Section A of your BTEC Unit 6 Principles of Management exam. Your report is where you can gain or lose the most marks, so structuring it effectively is key to scoring highly. A well-structured report demonstrates clear analysis, strong justification, and a logical flow of arguments. The report should begin with a strong introduction. This should briefly summarize the business scenario in the case study, identify the key management issues being faced, and outline the purpose of the report. A strong introduction helps set the examiner's expectations and makes it clear that you understand the business situation from the start. After the introduction, move on to the main body of the report, where you must identify and analyze 3 to 5 key issues from the case study. These could relate to topics such as leadership, motivation, business strategy, or resource management. Each issue must be analyzed using a structured approach. Start with problem identification by clearly stating the issue and explaining why it is a problem for the business. Follow this with impact analysis, where you explain how the issue affects the business, employees, or customers. Where possible, use data from the case study to strengthen your analysis. Next, propose a well-thought-out management solution that directly addresses the issue. Then justify your solution by explaining why it is the most suitable, linking it to relevant management theories or real business examples. Finally, include an alternative perspective by presenting a potential risk or drawback of your proposed solution and explaining how it could be managed. This structure ensures that your response is well analyzed, balanced, and justified, which are key to achieving top marks. After addressing each issue, conclude your report with a strong summary that reinforces your main points and highlights the impact of your recommended solutions on the business. Avoid introducing any new ideas in this section. Instead, focus on wrapping up your report effectively by reiterating how your recommendations will benefit the company in the long run. To maximize your marks, stay structured and logical. Avoid simply listing points. Instead, ensure that every argument is fully analyzed and justified. Use data from the case study to support your analysis and reference management theories where relevant, such as Maslow's hierarchy of needs, Herzberg's two-factor theory, or Tuckman's team development model. Keep your writing concise and professional, ensuring that your report reads like a real business document. A well-structured and justified report will showcase your ability to think critically and apply management principles effectively. If you can demonstrate clear analysis, provide strong recommendations, and balance your arguments, you will be in a strong position to score highly in Section A. Thank you.